Dear ones, here comes the second part of mammals, the one from 1 to 6, which are facts that we need to know. Okay, number 1, there are a little over 4,000 kinds of mammals. There are mammals that give birth to live young, mammals that are marsupials, and mammals that lay eggs. Number 2, mammals can be found in all types of environments. They live on the land, in the ocean, and underground in both hot or cold temperatures. Most mammals live on land. Number 3, warm-blooded mammals are able to regulate their body temperature to keep the same temperature most of the time. But all mammals do not have the same body temperature. Number 4, mammals are carnivores. Remember, carnivores eat meat. Mammals are herbivores that eat only grass. Mammals can also be insectivores. That means they eat only insects. And mammals can be omnivores. That means they can eat meat and plants. Humans eat both meat and plants, so they are called, or they are omnivores. Number 5, mammals have lungs and they breathe oxygen. Smaller animals breathe more often than larger mammals. Number 6, mammals can be covered by guard hairs, which are quills, fur, hair, or bristles. Some mammals have very little hair, like the elephant, and some lose their hair after birth, like the whale. Okay, we will read this together one more time. Number 1, there are a little over 4,000 kinds of mammals. Okay, there are mammals that give birth to live young. And that is like people, lions, bears, antelopes. They are all mammals. Mammals that are marsupials, and then mammals that lay eggs. Okay? So the ones that lay eggs are like birds and snakes. Some snakes lay eggs, but they are reptiles actually. They're not mammals. Okay, I'll come back to you again on number 1 to explain that a little bit better. Mammals can be found in all types of environments. We know that they can live on land, in the ocean, or or underground in both hot or cold temperatures. Most mammals live on land. Warm-blooded mammals, remember mammals are warm-blooded, are able to regulate their body temperature to keep the same temperature most of the time. But not all mammals have the same body temperature. Okay? Number 4, mammals are carnivores. We learned about carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores, and here are also now insectivores. So the ones that are carnivores eat meat, the ones that are herbivores, they eat only plants, and the ones that are insectivores eat only insects. So humans eat both meat and plants. So what are we? We are omnivores. Okay, number 5. Mammals have lungs, like we do, and we breathe oxygen. Smaller animals breathe more often than larger animals. Number 6, mammals can be covered with guard hairs. which we call quills. Okay? Mammals can also be covered in fur, hair, or bristles. Some mammals have very little hair, like the elephant, for instance, and some lose their hair after birth, like the whale. Okay, in the next video, I will explain marsupials, and I will also explain to you bristles, just those few extra things that you need to know. Okay, bye.